It's like second day of Iceland, second day. How do y'all feel about it?
Shit.
Oh wow, great. We paid £1,000 and you're just like, oh, this shit, it's fine. Aisha, how you feeling about the whole waterfall thing?
I don't feel.
Everyone looks so happy to be here. We're going to a waterfall and I'm actually excited. Woo! So we're there, in between these two places. On the blue line. Cool beans.
In the glacier itself.
We're currently going somewhere called Sólheimajökull Glacier.
Sometimes they call it basket of eggs.
We're gonna go for a walk on the glacier, so that should be fun. Oh, Jasmine, right in the frame. Nice.
I like to see some followers today.
I have already had enough of walking, and we have only walked for like 3 minutes, 5 minutes. Meh. Super cool. Apparently we're gonna see the Durhólaey. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's a seaside feature thing. It's like on the coast. Apparently there's a story about elves and trolls that I wasn't paying attention to, but you can look it up. So we're gonna go see them. That's what's really interesting. And there's something about gnomes. But I don't know what the story is though.
Well, if you hear Miss Anderson chuckling like that, then that's bad gossip.
So, me and Aisha went shopping. Obviously everyone else went shopping. Forget the lady in the background. But yeah, I got 2 keyrings. I got one for Caleb and one for my mum. I got a shot glass for my Auntie Jackie. And I got a shirt for me. And that's pretty much all I'm wanting to spend here. Because it's really expensive. The only other thing I really think that I would need to spend stuff on is like maybe something at the airport and maybe some food just during the time we're here. But except for that, I should be able to turn my notes into money, which means I get to keep money when we go back, so it's all good. 10 out of 10. I also have work the day we get back. So killing. I'm also very tired, but we're going to a waterfall apparently, which is the whole reason we came out. So good times. What did you get, Aisha?
3 keyrings. A magnet.
3 keyrings in a mug. Oh my god, you fucking tourist.
4 keyrings.
4 keyrings.
Doggy.
I'll take higher jugs. That's really cool. Like, fine. We have to climb all the way up there, so if I don't make it, that's probably, predicted. That's fine. That's so cool. Was it worth walking all the way up for? You know what? I'm gonna say yes. I'm gonna say yes it was. Look how cool that is. It's so cool. It's so cool. That's so cool. So cool. There's one there. I also got soaked, but that's okay because people got more soaked than me, so that's okay also. My hair is also wet, and I straightened it this morning. There's no point. I love wasting my life doing beauty things that mean nothing to anyone else except for me. That's the other one. Going there. That's so cool. We're like under a waterfall. That's so sick. Like, damn. It's so cool. It's so cool.
I hate it.
It's so cool. We have another waterfall, which is cool. This is our 3rd one today. It's just there. Cute little thing. Apparently, the food is French. Whatever the hell that means. Are you expecting some snails, like? What? Expecting some snails. Yep. Coming for too right, I am.
So try to sing along. This is the A to O of Iceland. What could possibly go wrong?
Okay, so that was day 2. I am recording the outro on day 3. Don't tell anyone. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Follow the links down in the description and subscribe and like. Okay, anyway, bye!